Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it could be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
If you want to earn a lot of money online, one of the best ways of doing it is by becoming an affiliate marketer. However, there are 3 important tools that all affiliate marketing people must have. And in this video, we're going to discuss this in detail so you can make a lot of money and on the links to the products and services that you are promoting and make a purchase. Therefore, you must first concentrate your efforts in building a website that will cater to what your prospects need. The most important thing you should consider is that almost all web users go online to look for information, not necessarily to go and buy something. It's an afterthought. Above all else, make your website full of original, relevant, and useful content. People will love articles that are appealing and helpful. Keep in mind that in the internet, content is still king, and good quality content will build your credibility. It can also help you achieve a higher search engine ranking, or SEO. By posting relevant and useful articles, you establish yourself as a credible expert in the field, making you more trustworthy and a more trustworthy endorser of the product or service that you are promoting. Establishing a good reputation is a good step in building up a loyal customer base that wants to buy from you. Now that we've covered those aspects of affiliate marketing, let's turn to some other factors that need to be considered. But before we continue, please understand that it's not just a website anymore. Things are moving in so many different directions these days. We have blogging, okay? We have microblogging. We have social media, which pours in lots of money for people. And also, of course, YouTube videos. So the YouTube video is kind of like a blog. Well, it's a video blog or a vlog, right? A vlog. So understand that there are other things that you can do to sell your products, but the best way of doing it by far is still your own website. So, important tool number 2, incentives. Competition is extremely tight in the internet world. You must always be one step ahead of your rivals to ensure that you capture a significant share of your target market. Therefore, you must use every possible means to encourage people not only to visit your site, but also to click and proceed to the websites of the products and services that you're promoting. And that is called a call to action. Building an opt-in email list is one of the best ways to gather your prospects. Offer a newsletter or an e-zine. Better yet, offer incentives to your prospects to encourage them to subscribe to your newsletters. You can present free softwares, access to exclusive services, and other freebies that will be helpful to your prospects. Try before you buy. So another important tool, this is number 3, called link popularity. The importance of driving highly targeted traffic to your website cannot be emphasized enough. And remember, it's not just a website, but anywhere that you have influence, such as social media, including Facebook groups or Facebook or your Facebook profile, Instagram, and of course, YouTube. So again, the importance of driving highly targeted traffic to your website cannot be emphasized enough. The all-important web traffic is at the top of the list of most important entities in the internet world. Attracting people to your site should be the first step you should carry out. Do everything to achieve a high search engine ranking, or SEO. Link popularity is one of the factors that search engines use to determine search engine rankings. Therefore, to enhance your link popularity, you must launch an aggressive reciprocal link campaign, and sometimes people call those backlinks. And that also includes YouTube videos. You have to have backlinks in order for your videos to rank. Okay, it's the same idea. Now, you can be confident, or you can be a confident expert on affiliate marketing. Okay, maybe not an expert, but you should have something to bring to the table the next time you join any discussions on affiliate marketing. And remember, it is extremely important to make sure that you get the backlinks, because that's like number 1 in the SEO, and a lot of people miss that. So get backlinks, okay? All right, so that'll do it for today, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And like always, go make money now. See ya.